What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's LaShondacapri here. As you can already tell by the title of this video, we are going to do 8 wings in 8 minutes with our thumbs taped. So I don't know exactly who started this challenge. I will let you guys know in the description or in the title of this video. I forgot at the moment, but we're gonna go straight into it because I know you're hungry. So let me try to get my phone and set the alarm. And I'm gonna set it like right here so you guys can see. I'm gonna use this mirror. Well, I guess I'll use the mirror because then y'all can't see. So I'll keep checking in with you guys. So as you can see, I got 8 minutes up on there, and we're gonna start. All right, you ready, babe?
Yep.
All right, ready, set, go. All right.
Drumsticks are not too hard. Definitely feel different without using your thumb.
I'm gonna get my top off my drink. You got a straw in it, don't?
It's part of the challenge. Since she's doing the wings, I'm gonna try the wing.
Babe, how am I supposed to get the meat out of there?
Like that. Still got these knuckles. Oh, look at that.
I'm gonna show y'all each one so y'all don't say. Alright, that's one. Where time at, baby? Ooh, that fast, 6 minutes. Oh my god, I'm not gonna make this, babe.
Some good wings, y'all.
It's from Wingstop. Lemon pepper wings. Another one down.
Scoot it out.
Wow. Yeah, babe. Get full ice, man.
So this one got a lot of meat.
Oh my god.
If my thumb was right there, would have caught it.
Oh my god. Babe, how you doing?
Got 2 wings up.
Y'all, we got 3 minutes and 30 seconds left. Oh my god.
You got it, babe?
No.
Oh, this one ain't twisting as easy. Oh. There we go. Look at that, got the bone out.
But
Hmm?
God bless people who don't have no thumbs. And for real.
Nice one. I caught a cramp. I caught a cramp. Oh my god. I caught a cramp with my thumb.
You wanna take out?
No.
Oh my god.
I'll finish this wing and then I'm.
Babe. Look at yourself.
My hand hurts.
Who gets a cramp eating a wing? Oh my god. I'm not gonna make it. Yeah, I have a minute left.
I still got a cramp. Oh my god.
Then you take your time.
Oh, you got this.
No, don't. I got less than a minute.
You got it. You better put that one in your mouth and just. Oh, crap, crap.
Oh my god, I cannot break this. I'm not. Sorry, y'all.
Time.
He finished 8 wings in 8 minutes. I finished 6. I finished 6. 6 wings. Come on, y'all gotta give me my props. I'm a woman. I'm a lady. All right. I'm trying to get my phone there. Y'all. And there it is. Babe, I think you're the first person to do this challenge to catch a cramp.
Probably. Oh man. Heart of a champion though. Get it? Champion.
Really, babe? Oh my god. Babe, take this off. Oh my God, y'all. Woo! Babe, we come with a challenge next for everybody. We don't know what. Ow, babe, my hair got hair.
Wait, what?
I got hair on my hand.
Oh, I thought you said my hair got hair.
Babe. Okay, guys, that was our challenge. 8 wings in 8 minutes. Hubby, he didn't fail. I did. I guess I can't roll.
Nope.
Babe caught a cramp.
That thing hurt.
Did it really?
Yes, it hurt.
Is that the first time ever catching a cramp in your thumb?
Mm-mm.
I know you catch cramps in your legs. Real quick, guys. Huh?
No, you catch a cramp in everywhere.
Okay, well, this challenge is by, it's by no one, I guess. It's just 8 wings in 8 minutes challenge. So everybody's doing it. So we decided to do it as a couple. So there it is. There it is. I can't even only eat 6. Okay, but babe, I'm talking about dad. But I do call him daddy. But babe, seriously, before we did this video, I ate.
Oh, that's the excuse?
But it's the truth.
I ate.
Okay, but I'm just saying, I did eat.
Okay.
Babe, I ate like 5 boneless wings before this.
We'll roll with that, champ.
I
I guess you don't have the heart of a champion.
No. I'm not making an excuse, guys. I'm just saying I did eat. I'm saying, did you see me eat before this?
Yeah.
Okay. And by the way, y'all, I've been sleeping on boneless wings.
No, you haven't.
No, boneless wings are good. I don't like boneless wings, but I tried.
Easier to eat.
They're good. They're crunchy. I like how crunchy they are. I don't even care about them not having the bone. I like the crunchiness. It's good. So, Wingstop may have me every now and then because, you know, I'm trying to be a little vegan. I've been eating more vegan like you too, babe. So, I think we're going to try to, I ain't going to say try to be vegans, but
no.
Every once in a while we might dabble into some, you know, chicken. But we try to do better.
That's true.
Dang.
That chicken vegan?
Nah, this is definitely not vegan. This came straight from the chicken itself, Wingstop. Alright, I guess we're gonna
close it out.
Yeah, close out in this video. But you gotta throw
Did
it
I
up.
do it right? I don't even know if I did it right.
You gotta throw it up. Catch it. Nah. Catch my eyes. Alright, throw it up, baby.
Go ahead.
Throw it up.
Go ahead.
Okay. There you go.
Was that right?
Yeah.
I don't know. Is that what the youngsters do today? Got the young
Yeah,
people?
like he's so old. He is not old, y'all. See? Oh. Alright, guys, we're gonna end this video. I'm about to do another video right after this video. So this video may come after the video I'm about to do. So if y'all wanna like, oh, she having the same thing in 2 videos, duh. It's probably because I recorded 2 videos for the slow people over there in the back. No, behind you, yeah. Alright, guys. Guess we're gonna close it out, babe. Ready to close it out?
Close it out.
Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you turn on the ringer bell so you're not missing any videos from me and notifications. Make sure you like, comment, and share it. If you have anything in mind that you want to see on this channel, let us know. And I'm out. We're out. What?
You got some nerve.
What?
We're out.
Alright, peace out. Peace.